So today I have for you guys a air purifier. This one features HEPA filters, so it's really great to filter out any kind of mold spores, allergens, dust, whatever in the air. If you're very sensitive to those kind of things, and I personally am allergic to dust, so this is definitely going to help my sinuses and all that. This is a fairly big air purifier. That's because it has plenty of settings and it's actually good for a large room. So I'm just unboxing it right now. It comes in this really big cardboard box. Because this is a fairly expensive product on Amazon at $150, I like to take a look at how well they had thought through the packaging process just to make sure that the product will not be damaged during shipping. And you can see it has plenty of cardboard inserts that help ameliorate any bumps in the road, so that's definitely a good sign. So now that we've got all the packaging out, you can see that it has a nice little leather-esque handle on one side. I would have preferred to have it on both sides, but it's nice that they provide a handle because this is a fairly tall air purifier. It's just under 2 feet tall and it's about, I'd say, 11 inches in diameter. You can see there are some touch controls right here on the face, and it's very clearly labeled in terms of what each button does. Not to mention it comes with a pretty detailed instructions guide if you ever get lost in the operation of this thing, but I'll just go ahead and show you how it works. So I'm already plugging this in. Cable sufficiently long, but I'm just keeping it short because I want to put it close to the wall. So first turning it on with the power button right up the right upper hand corner, and then underneath are the buttons to control the various settings. So underneath that is a dedicated nighttime mode, so if you wanted to have this in a bedroom or something like that, and when you want to go to sleep, you want to make sure that's at its lowest possible setting. So there's that. Underneath that is the speed setting at which it will filter out, and of course this gets louder as you increase the speed of filtering. There are 4 different speeds, 1, 2, 3, and then turbo, which really sounds incredibly loud. To be honest, it sounds a little bit loud even at the second setting, so if you put this in the bedroom, I would definitely consider putting it on a lower setting if you're in there, since it's definitely a little bit on the noisy side, but if it's in a large room, I think it's probably okay. And then on the very bottom is a timer setting, so if you only need to do some filtration for a short period of time, it gives you the option of 2, 4, and 8 minutes. I would have preferred to have it like 15, 30, and like an hour or something like that, but well, that's what you're pre-programmed with. And then the final button is to the left of the power button, and this is actually the filter reset button if you were to change out the filter. It comes with a pre-filter as well as a HEPA filter. So the pre-filter is to get out the bigger objects, and then the HEPA filters are able to filter out stuff like pollen, pet dander, dust mites, tobacco smoke, much finer materials, so that's why it's a little bit more expensive to replace. So there you have it. This is just a first look video. This is my first initial impressions after just playing around with it within 24 hours. Of course, I'm going to be testing this out long term, and that will be part of my full review video of this product. So if you're interested in that, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Any questions of my initial impressions, go ahead and leave it in the comment section below. And if this was helpful, please give it a thumbs up on this video. It would be greatly appreciated. Thanks for watching, guys.